Yo, what's up guys, how you doing today?
I'm going home.
And well, today we got
wait.
Matthew over here bitching right behind me.
I don't
But
have a home.
today, got some new glasses. I'm not wearing my broken ones. These are pretty cool, Heat Waves. Sponsor me please. I would love to get those for free. But Matthew's welding his exhaust together, that's why he's got the fancy hood on.
Look here. If anyone wants some extra work, just know we do everything nice and sober around here. We would never drink on the job or anything like that. Basically, we're putting these pipes together because I'm putting a turbo on my truck.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And
yeah, it's definitely gonna hold a turbo on.
it's going to. And
it's gonna. You're putting
welder's not on.
You're putting these welders on for a run for their money.
Yeah, I don't want to I wouldn't want you to put this on film, cause I just don't want to embarrass anyone, you know, of how good they are. I don't want to embarrass anyone.
So pretty much, Matthew wants to fix his ragged ass exhaust. So he's welding on some extension pipes to make it, Jesus, to make it longer so that way it doesn't sound like a Honda Civic. But we already got one side welded up. They're not the best welds in the world, but I mean, neither one of us are actual welders. The actual welder might be coming over later today, my buddy Chase. So we're just trying to do what we can. As long as it holds, it never breaks, and doesn't leak or anything like that, I call that a success. This is the one side of the pipe that we already did. As I said, it's not professional, but goddamn, that bugger is gonna hold it on. Am I right?
It's gonna hold. Alright, I want to do a little bit of welding on this a little bit.
Is it money?
Nah, it's not.
It's getting a little bit better.
It's all about the stance.
It's all about the stance. So this is what we got so far. I'm gonna go through and try to see if I can close it up a little bit more.
Looks like complete shit, but you know, we're not welders. We're like a duo. We're like a Swiss Army knife. We can do everything, just not real good.
They call me mile wire, because everything I weld takes a mile of wire to weld it. Just that good. Mile wire. So Matthew made a mistake, and that's the part that's supposed to connect to the exhaust that's already on the truck. But the problem is Matthew's an idiot.
It's too big.
And it's the wrong side. This is the pipe down here. This is the pipe that's supposed to connect to the already existing exhaust, and Matthew got it backwards. Typical.
It's not cutting.
So pretty much what we did was we just cut little slits in it. We're going to bend this side in and squeeze them together.
So that way this side fits in
actually
here.
Like fits inside and not just like, that's not going to hold like that. It ain't going to work, Chief.
Yeah, I'll just hold it from where you're holding it and then weld it.
You're the fucking horse.
Did you get some dirt in your eyes?
Matthew, you left your wrench in there.
I know. I left it there because I can't get it out. Dead ass serious, you can not get it out.
Yo, look at this shit.
Dead ass, you can literally not get it out.
Hold the pipe.
Oh, it's not going nowhere.
Look what Matthew has in his truck.
You cannot get it out, swear to God. It's stuck in there. That wrench has went about 1,000 miles so far.
How'd that even get in there?
Well, you see what happened is so inside the frame there's a bolt that's supposed to be welded to the frame, and then you put the or there's a nut that's supposed to be welded to the frame, and then I was feeding the bolt in and the nut broke off, so I put electrical tape around the fucking nut and stuck it on the end of the wrench, stuck the wrench inside my frame, and then fed the bolt through the frame, and now the wrench won't come out. Hey, we can turn it on and see what it sounds like real quick.
Dude, that bitch is fucking money, dude. God damn, Matthew, I swear to fuck, I'm too fucking good for my own good.
Too good for my own good.
Let's see what it sounds like real quick.
Dude,
It like sounds like a truck now.
that sounds fucking good as shit. That sounds good as fuck, dude.
Yeah, agreed.
God damn. I'll tell you what, if you need some muffler welding, you got some good old exhaust pipe.
Then call someone else.
Don't call him, call your boy Brandon, man, for your exhaust pipe needs.
Piping. Oh, yeah, needs. Yeah, needs.
No pipe included. Just
Or needs, no needs included either. Had that been dragging, dog.
Alright guys, we just finished welding up the exhaust. Got it on. Got the tip on too.
I didn't hear you up there.
Sounds really good. Matthew just busted down the road real quick to see what it sounded like.
I do a little drive-by like from the top, like
Do you like
onto
it?
that. Oh yeah. Sounds way fucking better.
Give it a rev. That sounds good,
100%.
Vicky.
Oh yeah, way better. Oh yeah.
There's a little exhaust leak for the old muffler, like right here,
Yeah.
but that's like, it's so small, like you can't even hear it.
Alright guys, well now that we got that all welded up, got it all cleaned up, we're gonna go get something to eat. Probably won't vlog anymore for the rest of the day, so if we record tomorrow, see you tomorrow. Yo, what's up guys? It's the end of the video. We didn't get any more clips from that weekend. This is actually a couple weeks ago we recorded this vlog. But right now I just got done streaming. I probably did the longest stream I've ever done on Twitch. 5 hours. That's fucking weird, but awesome at the same time. If y'all wanna go check out the Twitch, I got the link down below. I might put a little bar right here. I don't know. But if y'all wanna go check it out, Twitch is down there. I've been streaming a new game I have. It's called Breakpoint. It's pretty sick. I stream a lot of games on there. And if y'all want to go stay more in tune with the vlog channel or the Twitch, got the link down below to the Discord. But anyways guys, I appreciate y'all watching this video. If y'all want to see more content like this, hit that like button. And videos every Monday. I don't know when I'm posting this. It is Sunday and it's almost time for me to go to bed, but I'm going to try to get this video posted just for y'all. But stay tuned, next vlog coming out. Hit that sub button if you want to be notified. Make sure that bell is also clicked too. And I'll see you guys.